Hello students, welcome to my channel Knowledge Nudge. Today we are studying chapter 9 of class 7th DAV Social Science Medieval Period back exercise. Take the correct option. First, the period from 8th to 18th century CE in India is known as answer medieval period. Second, Prithviraj Raso was written by answer Chand Bardai. Third, name the language in which N.A. Akbari was written. Answer Persian. Fourth, the significant achievement of the medieval period was the popularity and availability of answer paper. Fifth, Tahike-Hind is famous. Answer travel account. B. Match the following. A. First, Purana. Second, N.A. Akbari. Third, inscriptions. Fourth, Marco Polo. Fifth, excavation. A. Source of information. B. A foreign visitor. C. Digging underground. D. A book. E. Abdul Fazl. Answer first D, second E, third A, fourth B, fifth C. C. Answer the following questions. First, which period is known as the medieval period in an Indian history? Answer the period between 8th to 18th century CE is known as the medieval period in Indian history. Second, which period is known as the medieval period in European history? Answer the period between 5th to 15th century CE is known as the medieval period in European history. Third, list the well-known literary sources of information of the medieval period. Answer, the main sources of information about that period are autobiographies, orders of rulers, letters written during that period, etc. Fourth, name the foreign visitors who wrote travel accounts of medieval period of India. Answer, Ibn Battuta, Marco Polo, and Bernier are the foreign visitors who wrote travel accounts of medieval period of India. Fifth, list the technological developments of the medieval period. Answer, the technical development of the medieval period is Persian wheel, spinning wheel, etc. Thank you for watching the video. If you love it, then like it, share with your friends, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notifications about further videos.